Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you find your favorite store uh, on your app, on your Decathlon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, come here to my favorite store, you just click on it. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here, like you see now. You will find here your favorite store here, and you can change store in this list here. So that's all you have to do. Just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.